Okay, starting the recording also. You got any assignment, Karan, from school to do something which we can do it
Yeah,
using Scratch?
we have got many assignments, but those are written in code.
No, I'm not talking about computer assignment or
So
any other, like any presentation you have to create, any kind of topic you need to speak on.
no,
Nothing as of now.
but we can get that.
Okay.
Yeah, but that is not related from scratch. We have to make a leaflet kind of thing.
Yes. Okay. But if you make it in Scratch, then how you're going to share with your teacher? That is the problem.
Yeah, that's
Or
the
teacher
problem.
will not, or teacher will not accept it. Okay, so yours is very simple. Okay, so now we have to make it slightly complicated. Okay, so what we need to do, can you go full screen for me once? And your mouse is moving by mouse or is moving with the,
No, oh no.
can we? Okay, so your mouse is moving with respect to the arrow keys, right? Correct?
Oh no. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now have one more. It is for everyone, okay? And that is something which is going to prevent the other person from winning. Add one more bar, and this bar will keep on rotating. With
What?
me? Add one more bar, and this bar will keep on rotating.
Vertical one or horizontal one?
That doesn't make a difference. Just add one more bar. Divija, you with me?
Yes, sir.
And how you guys will make this bar rotate? Who is going
We'll
to
remove
answer
this,
that?
right? We'll remove this, right?
Yes, correct.
We'll
How?
make it rotate by turn 15 degrees.
Okay, and then after that, what you will do?
We have set rotation style left, right, and
Yeah.
we have options
How rotation style is going to help?
all
We just
around.
want to make sure that the bar is rotating. The rotation style is not going to help you.
But yeah. Okay, wait. I'll
Okay, Karan, you're on the right track. So how will you make it continuously rotate?
turn 15-degree and forever.
Okay, forever, very good. Now let's put a forever block.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I found out how to delete that the thing I erased from my sprite, the helmet.
How you did that?
So once I erased it, there were little marks, erasing marks. So I just erased that also. There were like white marks above the dog.
Okay, and
So,
because of that, the size got reduced.
huh?
Because of that, the size of the dog got reduced. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I did is I erased that again, the erased marks, and now it's fine.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now do one thing. When you are rotating it, okay, can you give a wait of 1 second? Give a wait of 0.5 second.
So can you just wait for 1 minute?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, should it be horizontal or vertical?
Doesn't make a difference. It's going to just
Where
rotate
should
as
we
such.
keep this line?
This is something your competitor will tell, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is that, if you remember, you would have seen games where a kind of a chain is rotating and you have to avoid that rotating chains to move forward,
Yeah,
right?
there is a game.
Okay.
I've
So
seen.
we take turn 15 degrees and then forever block.
And then we are waiting for 0.5 seconds so that people get 0.5. I think it's a less amount. Make it 1 second. Make
Okay.
it 1 second.
So we'll put wait 1 second in the forever block or after that?
In the forever block.
Yes, in the forever block. After
Just see
turn
how
15 degree, right?
just see how it looks like now when it is rotating.
Okay.
Just click on that. Okay. All right.
It's going fine.
You can
Yeah.
avoid it.
The second clock, but a little faster.
Okay. So do you want it to be 0.5 or you want it to be 1 second?
1 second is okay.
1
I
second
think
is
1 second is okay.
Easier.
easier. Okay. All right. Now you guys all know how to create the score, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So
But
first we will have a timer.
So we'll
So
not put the green flag on it.
on which one, Divija?
The rotating line.
No, green flag has to be there, right? Green flag would be there. Okay. So now let's do one thing.
in the mouse one, right? We'll write the score.
Or you can have anywhere, wherever you want.
I'll write in mouse.
Okay. Can someone else share the screen now?
Sir, can I share?
Okay, Sagarika.
Sir, I still have to do scoring.
Yes, so we'll do scoring now. So first we will have a timer. We'll have a timer for 60 seconds.
Okay.
Divija, you know how to do it?
We'll put a new variable named timer.
Okay, let's do that.
Sir, which sprite should we put it in?
Any sprite you want as such.
Okay, I put it in this itself.
Okay, so let's go to variables, new variable, timer.
Timer.
Okay. Then let's drag and drop, set my variable to 0.
Let's put it
Then put it, change my variable by 1.
Okay.
Then have a wait of 1 second in between that.
Set my variable.
Okay.
In between the set and change.
Yes, correct. Okay, and then put a forever block.
Okay.
Not forever would be below the set one.
Okay.
We'll set the variable to 60.
No, we'll start with, how do you want to do it? Do you want to count down or you want to count up?
Count down, I think.
Okay.
We'll set the timer to 60 and then we'll say change the timer by -1.
Okay, then let's do that. So now select your, can you go and select your variable in the set my variable over here.
Okay.
Select timer.
Oops. Okay.
Done.
Make
And
it
here?
60. Yeah, over there also, but first make it 60.
Done.
So fast. Okay.
Done.
Then, okay. Let her also complete, right? Then wait. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, 60. And then change timer by -1. So I just want to make sure you guys understand why we did that. Very first thing, we have set our variable. Okay. That's why we have kept it outside the forever loop. With me, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. And then once it goes into the forever loop, we are saying wait for 1 second and then decrement it by -1.
Okay.
Okay, so if we want to make it decrement by 5 seconds, then we'll say wait for 5 seconds and then decrement by -5. Okay, everyone with me?
So we are saying wait for 1 second, no?
Yes, wait for 1 second. Put a green flag.
Okay.
Okay, now let me go to Divija. Divya, now you need to tell me how many lives which we should give.
2
3
because
lives, 3 lives, 5
lives.
lives, 3
3
lives. Okay.
lives.
Okay.
3 is fine.
Okay. So then you will create a new counter by name lives, right? And this also you want to go up or go down?
Go down, obviously.
Okay. And how you're going to change the lives counter?
Like when if we, I think we'll use the if block.
Okay, very good. Okay, if touching, then you have to reduce it, right?
Fine.
Okay, so very first thing would be to create the lives variable.
But sir, we
Mhm.
have done that if touching the line, glide to that.
Starting position, that's okay, but we also have to keep a count, right? How many times it has lost the lives.
Okay.
So we'll again do that in mouse, right?
Yes, in mouse. Mouse, because these counters are applicable on all the sprites. You can place it wherever you want to.
Okay.
Where is
So
your sister, Devija? Today she is not there.
no, she was there. She just went
Okay,
with
so
Antara.
okay.
She's
So
coming.
once she is back, then she can also play one game with us.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we'll make a variable. First you need to create a variable, right? So there is a button over there, make a variable.
Yes. Lives. So she's back.
All right. Say my hello.
Done.
Done so fast?
I also done.
No, but we have to count, right? How are you going to reduce the count?
Can you repeat, please?
Yes. So lives count will start with 3, correct?
Okay.
Yes.
So we have to first set lives to 3. Then we have to change life by -1. If we are touching, if mouse is going to touch, right? Then sorry, you have to do this on the mouse, in fact, because if mouse is touching, correct? You have to take this code to the mouse, in fact. So whatever code you added, let's take it to the mouse sprite first.
But sir, I am doing it in cheese. So if I say that if touching mouse, then change rise by 1. So if it will touch the cheese, so may I do it in the line 1? But then I have to do for all the
Yes,
lines.
so we have to do it for the mouse now. That's why we have to
Okay,
just
okay.
drag and drop it to the mouse.
Yeah.
So we'll not do for that cake one, right? I mean cheese one.
No, we'll do it for the mouse.
Yeah, then I was right. So in that what we'll put?
If touching line, right?
Yeah, line.
If touching in
There
the
are,
sense there's a touching color is there, right? So all lines have
oh
got the
yeah.
same color.
So we have it over here, but how? So wait. I have this over here, but I can't say na touching all the lines. I have
No,
different.
we have a color
No,
also,
you
right?
need to choose the color.
Okay. I got it. Sorry.
No problem. Sagarika, you're doing the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then
Change life by -1. Okay.
दूसरा वाला.
Okay, now all of you should play a game on your own and just show me like, are you able to do it or not? If not, then we'll simplify the game.
Sir,
Yeah,
which sprite should we do this for?
mouse.
I'll try. I'll try. I'll try. I'll try. Didi, I'll try.
Oh, dog. For me, it's a dog.
Dog, yes, for you it is dog.
Okay.
If it is complicated, we will make it simple, okay? So in 60 seconds, you can't reach, that's for sure. Okay.
Oh no.
Devija, one more thing. You have to put that forever block if touching color. Okay.
Okay, okay.
This is cheating. You cannot go from.
No, but you are going to tell her where to place it, correct?
Yes,
Just
yes.
practicing.
Hmm. Not to cheating.
So first Karan will do.
No,
Ah.
we will first just practice it. I just want to see, do we have to simplify it or not? Okay.
Oh.
First
Oh.
will do.
Oh
Uh,
no.
Sagarika, you coded?
So I'm still coding.
Okay.
Oh.
How will mouse go from it? There is no space at all for mouse.
It's there.
Oh, it's very difficult. This no
Oh,
one can
no.
go. This no one can go, right?
It's space, but no one can do.
By the time your rotating stick is back,
That's.
so now you have to try. Now you have to try.
Okay.
Difficult.
It's so difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult, right? So let's start game. Okay, so let's first start game. Okay. We'll first start game only with 4.
Wait. One by one.
Okay, so can we start? Okay, so we'll have game in
I'm alive.
stages.
Wait, wait.
Okay, we'll have game in stages.
I'm not able to hear you. Everybody speaking.
Okay, so we will have game in various stages. In the first stage, we'll only have 4 vertical or the bars as such. Okay, any 4 bars.
So I'll first remove the rotating line.
No, do not remove it. Okay, so let
What?
other person
Why?
decide. Okay, so
Rotating
do
line
do
removal.
one thing. Okay, so let's start the very first game. Okay, so Karan, just tell Divija which all 4 you want it over here, and then you can place it. For others, Divija,
Okay.
just remove the green flag from there. Okay, we'll only have 4 as such, and you can place those 4. Okay.
See now.
Yeah, tell which one.
Ah, keep one line. Wait. Note. Keep this here.
First, tell which I should take. Put a dot
Take this.
section. Okay, this one.
But I will not understand which line is vertical and which line is horizontal.
This which you are telling is standing.
Okay. Standing. What is this one?
Sleeping.
I didn't take.
Okay, this
Take
one.
one more sleeping.
Okay.
Take
So
these both standing.
no, so there are 4 only, right? So you just need to tell us 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 is only.
No, there are 5.
हाँ ठीक है. Cancel this one.
Want me to do 2 standing and 2 sleeping? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. For others, just make it height first of all and remove the green flag. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Let's remove the green flag also. Yeah.
I.
You don't want rotating line.
What? I want, wait. Remove one standing.
Okay.
Sagarika, you have coded, right?
Stand.
Sir, I have to
But
code
I am
for the
only,
mouse.
why I am only deciding?
Let me go to Sagarika's screen. Okay, please share your screen, Sagarika.
Okay. Uh,
Okay, put a if touching. So you have to do color, right?
Okay. Touching color.
red.
Okay.
Okay, sir, done.
Then you have to put this in a forever loop.
Okay.
It has to keep on checking forever, right?
Yeah.
No, you have to do it that if block should be in the forever block.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
The if block has to be in the forever. The set lives will be above the forever one.
Okay.
Okay. So very first thing we have to set that particular variable, correct? And then now put a green flag on top of it. Okay. All right. Now let me go back to Divija's screen again. Okay, Divija. So we'll have 4 bars. Now, Karan, please tell where to place which one.
And please tell where to put the cheese and mouse also.
Mouse anyhow will be there on the left hand side itself. Okay.
Over here.
Left bottom. Yeah. The mouse is always going to start from there. Okay.
Okay, sir. And cheese.
Cheese, let him decide where he wants to keep. But we need to finish this in 60 seconds. Okay. He's there or not?
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, we will.
Cheese.
Sagarika, you can tell probably Karan is having internet issue.
Here, sir.
So,
Okay. Is someone doing something or not?
no, Karan is not telling.
Can you give Karan remote control of your machine? Let him just drive it where he wants to put what. Sagarika, you there? Sagarika, can you hear? Divija, can you hear me?
Send the mouse.
Where are others? Hello, Sagarika. Divija, can you hear me?
It's only contain the.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
we are able to hear you.
Hello.
We are able to hear you. Just
I can't hear anyone.
I can hear you. Or let's do one thing, Devija. Let's start it. Okay. So do one thing. You can place
I'll
wherever
just
you want.
leave and join.
Okay, Karan.
Okay, Sagarika can tell me.
Okay.
Yeah, wait, I'm giving you the remote control.
Okay.
Given. You have to accept it.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So Sagarika is placing it now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sagarika is placing it, Karan.
Just give her some space to go, right? It should not, that mouse can never reach there.
Sagarika, can you just stop
Yeah.
one?
Okay.
Okay. Very good.
Sagarika,
Yeah.
controlling my screen, so don't move your mouse. I just have to decline, Karan.
Okay.
Uh, approve. Approve. I'm not able to do anything. Karan, stop it. Karan, you have to accept it.
Why I'm controlling?
Who wants to control? Please tell first.
I am giving up.
Fine, I'll control.
Okay, you can.
Say what time waste is going on.
Sagarika, you have to accept it.
I did.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay. Put this here.
Hi.
Put this here, yeah. And then put this rotating wheel here.
Okay. I can't pick that one.
Wait, let me
Click
do it.
twice on that. Click
Wait,
twice
let
on
me do
that.
it. Sagarika, stop. Let me do it.
Oh shit.
Fine.
Yeah. Now I think I can move it.
Okay, may I start?
1 second.
So difficult.
Yeah. Not yet. Not yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I'm doing it. Now I'm not allowing you to control the screen because I have to do. If you'll move the mouse, my game will.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, why is it not coming?
Are you sure the cheese where you have placed it is not difficult for her? I feel there is a path below at the bottom where she can just go in. What do you think?
No, because it'll be moving up and down and it goes really fast. It
goes
won't be
really fast.
possible.
Okay, all right, let's try. So you have 60 seconds, okay? And 3 tries.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you have rotating line here. How will I move? Oh, you can move, Divya. Don't be scary.
Oh my goodness. Oh, still time is there. Time is not a problem. 1 life. Okay,
Minus 14.
that's okay. I think it is. We didn't have to put over there. That's
You
okay.
have 15 lives only.
Only once it has gone down till, right? We have to fix that code.
1 life only. Be confident, Divya.
Oh, it's difficult game, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 seconds. Very good. Oh, almost reached.
You can take a shortcut. Oh, it's very difficult.
Okay, so whose turn is next?
Shortcut, but
Karan.
it is
Okay, Karan.
difficult.
All right.
Wait, I'll do it. Wait. Oh no. Just do. You can take a shortcut if you want. That's difficult. That's not difficult. See, that's difficult.
Yes.
So you can do some.
Okay, let Karan try now. Okay, Karan, please share your screen. We'll come back to you, Devija.
Yes, sir.
I lost.
Karan is not there.
Okay, Sagarika.
Okay, sir. This is tough. Mine is tough.
No, but they will decide, right? Which 4 where to place it.
Oh, Karan came.
Okay, Karan, go. I'm trying to practice.
Okay. Hello. Your brother is also there. Okay, Karan, waiting for you to share the screen.
What? I'll share.
Yes. Now let
Why?
them choose because her chance is done, right? She could not complete it. Now it's their chance to make sure you are able to do it or not.
And please, I will place it now.
No, no, no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who told ya?
Who told you? There are many people.
Oh, timer 1 minus 107.
Okay, let's first decide the 4 ones. Okay, which 4 are there? Let's first decide those 4.
Rotating one.
Sir, I won.
Very good.
Please give me the remote control.
Wait.
Sir, I had 1 more second more to lose.
Okay, then you have to practice more again, right? So they are
Bus.
going.
First. Okay, wait, I'm controlling. Okay, the cake will be over here. Okay, you can hide. I want one standing line. I want one standing line, two sleeping.
You are controlling Adu.
Karan,
You are controlling, right? I cannot do anything.
you can also do.
No. It's
Yeah.
not allowing me to do.
You can also do.
See my mouse. Acha, it's moving. Yeah. Eh? Acha. Let's do.
You just hide. I'll just place them. Rest you do. Why shall I do? I have done of my.
What?
Want one rotating line, one standing line, and two sleeping line. So hide rest of them.
This is which line?
Horizontal.
One standing. One sleeping. One standing, one sleeping, and
One rotating. One standing, two sleeping, and one rotating.
acha, two sleeping.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Now don't move your mouse. Yeah. I'll do. And remove the green flag of rest of them.
Why?
The lines you have hide, remove that green flag.
One, two, three. Yeah, done.
Done? Okay. Now I am doing. Wait.
Arey, what you are doing? Wait. Acha, do.
One will be here. Just put it like this only. Oh.
Eh? That is rotating line. How will that go?
I don't know.
This is cheating. How,
Everything
how
is
the mouse will go from there?
now do.
Do one thing, just give some space at the bottom also, right?
Ah.
There is only one entry.
Okay,
Okay. So let's give some space at the bottom.
fine.
Not there. Move that rotating line above.
No, arrange.
Why? How will I go there?
I'll tell you, just on the green button.
Hey, let me on to see. See.
Wait now. See, you are able to do it.
Oh, this becomes easy now.
It's easy. And you were saying,
How can we pass from that thing?
I don't think. We don't know, yaar. We don't know. You
Wait,
have
but so small line it is. Wait.
Just check your mouse is big enough to pass or not. No, your mouse won't be able to pass. Now, okay.
This much is okay. First I'll keep this here and then it will come back. And I'll start. Are it lives too then again?
Okay, we'll start full screen.
Wait, sir.
I think this red line which is at over here, correct? This one is not serving any purpose. This is getting waste, correct? You are wasting this line over here.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Let's start.
Okay. Okay. I think. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, one life.
Eh? Arey why? Q. I want my remote control back.
What happened?
She stopped it.
I didn't stop it.
What? You stopped it.
Anything. Why will I stop it?
Okay,
Ah.
let's continue. Let's continue. Click on the green again.
Wait, sir. I have to keep it. Arey, where it went? Oh, sorry. I'll start now.
So this is your second try, correct? Okay. I think now something has changed, man. How come such a big opening?
Sir, he did it.
He did something.
What? I didn't do anything.
He did something.
Yeah.
He has done something.
Yes.
Did you pause your
Yes.
screen and did it, or how you did that?
Yeah, sir, he did it.
Okay.
What? I didn't
We'll
do
come back
anything.
to him. We'll come
This
back
is
to him.
cheating.
Okay.
What?
He's doing cheating.
What cheating?
Okay. So let's go to Sagarika now.
Okay.
This is very bad. He's doing cheating.
This is not cheating.
This-
That was like that only, yeah. Please.
We have the recording now. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Sagarika. So
Give to Sagarika Didi. Ah! Now I'll give to Sagarika.
I am also there here.
Very easy one to her. Now you see.
What? I am also there here. First, lives 2465.
Sagarika, give the remote control to
Give
me.
me. What?
Okay. Karan, Divija is already controlling my screen.
So what I am doing?
Wait, 1 second, Divija.
Yeah.
Huh?
What?
Huh? 1 second. Wait, Karan, you need to stop requesting, please.
I cannot do that. You have to do.
I know, but I can't click.
You can just decline it.
I know, but I can't click. I don't know what's happening. I'm clicking, it's not declining.
Uh-huh.
Wait, did we just stop moving my mouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Now you can move my mouse.
Now you control. Now you give remote control to me because I gave up the remote control and that's what. Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
So now the strawberry is here.
But this is the rotating line under it.
Yeah, wait. First, I just want two horizontal. So, wait, I'll do it. This one.
That's a vertical one.
Yeah, wait.
I've written vertical names for all of them. So horizontal is down.
I want just two verticals, So we have four of them over here. I just want these. Yeah, do Divja. Just want this. Then we have strawberry over here. Okay, this here. And like that only. This over here.
Wait, then it's easy.
Yeah, I'm giving you very easy because Karan did cheating.
Okay.
This is big cheating.
You were cheating.
Aha.
Then we have this one here. This one here. And this one will be difficult a little. This line. Yeah, fine. No, wait. No, Divya, just up it. Up it? Just up. Move up it. Yes. Oh, move just it move up. Just move it up. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Okay.
The more move it up. More. No. Yeah, more. Okay. Please. We both are giving, na? Yeah, done. Now I am giving up the remote control. Now Sagarika. Now Sagarika, Didi, you do it. It's in your hand. You will. You will win. We know. That's so easy. We can't tell you.
Got it.
Yum. Got it, Karan Bhaiya.
Okay,
I
so
still
now,
have my 3 lives.
all right. So now let's play a fair game, okay? For next 10 minutes or so. So we'll again have 4 only, okay? So who is going to go first?
Me.
Sagarika.
Okay, Sagarika. So now let Karan decide where to place it, okay?
No.
But sir say Karan not to
What? No. What?
You're
Okay,
gonna
so
give me tough one.
No. I'll only do. I'll do tough. See now.
this is the final one, okay? So we have 15 minutes left. Okay.
See now.
be confident. Now this time I will do. No,
Yes.
no. Yeah. Nahi. Yeah.
Hey, why I cannot?
So, before me, can Kyra do once?
Kyra, yes. So when I come to your screen, then Kyra can do it, okay?
Why this is not moving here?
It's moving.
There. मेरे को भी टांग रहे.
Why it's
Wait.
not moving?
First take the dog away. Karan, first take the dog away.
Yeah, wait.
Just keep it like this only. Oh,
This is very much laggy.
So,
How will dog go from where? Is any opening?
Yeah, I know that's from where. But it's not moving only. You only do it. I'll show.
okay.
I'll tell you.
Where?
Put this bit down.
I'm not able to see now. Do it
Do it
Okay.
here.
and just
Okay.
this.
And then move this. Join this here. Join this line here.
That will be very difficult, sir.
Yes.
Let's
So
say there should
so
be one opening, right? So he's still
ma'am.
giving this opening, correct? Can dog
Yeah.
go through it? Just cross check. Just move your dog over here and see. And
Okay.
your dog can go through it, right? Okay. So we'll start the game.
No. I am not done.
Okay, you're not done.
Got it.
Stop. Wait. This
Okay.
is easy. No. See. Put your dog here. Arey, stop. Put your dog here. And then put this. Put this thing here.
Which thing?
You are current. She is able to win because you are just using the rotating line. You are not using the sleeping line.
I'm not doing rotating. I did not tell rotating line.
Then?
Put that in that position only. Put this here.
Okay. That.
No. Strawberry, no. This line.
Yeah.
That's so. I cannot tell.
And put
Put
this
this
line here.
So difficult.
What? I am deciding. Wait. Put this here. Here. What?
Where?
No. Put this here.
She can also decide.
No.
She will decide when it is Karan's turn, okay? So
Put this
let Karan
here.
decide now.
Where?
Here.
Difficult to current. Yeah.
Okay, and then put this here.
So difficult.
No. Very
Very difficult.
this is difficult. From here she can go and then reach here.
Okay,
Put
we'll
this-
start now.
Put this here. No. Put this here.
Okay.
This line here.
This.
Yeah.
This is cheating. चुप हो जा कायरा. It is cheating.
Same.
No, Kaira, just let him decide, okay? He's trying to.
Here. Joining the line.
Okay.
You are doing Karan Bhaiya. It's so
Put it a bit down. Put it at least here. Somewhere.
We will give more difficult to you.
Okay, Kaira, let him do it, Karan, okay? Otherwise, he will get disturbed.
Okay,
Put this
done.
thing here. Put this thing here. What?
Is someone going to win the game or not?
I don't think he let me win.
Make this here. No. Wait. Give me control. Give.
I gave. Move it.
It's not moving.
Now drag it. From where will I enter? My dog is also not that thin.
taking
Okay.
so much time.
It's okay. Let him take time. He's thinking. Okay.
Sir, help me.
But I think
Hmm.
still right. Okay. We are good now. Final.
No,
Done.
I can't even come inside.
You will be right.
No, my
See,
dog is not that thin.
No, you will. Now
make it
you are
thin.
done. You are done, Karan. Right. So if you go up over there and then come back, you can't do that.
Sir, no, because my dog, it won't fit here
Where? It will.
inside that thing. No, because of this vertical line, my dog won't be able to enter. That rotating line is fine, but the vertical line that's blocking me in this,
Uh-huh.
that
No,
is going to
but
be an issue.
if your dog goes up, go like this and come down. You're saying this distance is not there.
Yeah.
So we'll see if the distance is not there, then we'll come and move this thing. Okay, but let's get started. This is very less distance now, man. This I am sure the dog will not pass through. Please move this thing over here.
No. This dog can pass.
No, dog won't be able to pass. Trust me.
No.
It's very difficult for dog to pass.
Put this. Wait. I'll say. Put this here somewhere.
Okay.
Bus. No. Wait. Put this here somewhere. Yeah. Now
There
it
it
can
is.
pass. No, it can pass. See.
Wait, let me check.
It
No,
can
his
pass.
tail is going to be wagging.
Yes, it's very difficult, Karan. So let's give us more
It's
space.
okay.
Please give her more space, right, for the dog
Put
to
it
pass.
somewhere here.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right,
Then
let's start now. Okay.
start.
Okay. Full screen.
See now.
Best of luck. Okay.
Okay.
Just take your own time, right? The lot of time is there.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot the rotating line.
Okay, wait. Rotating is coming. Rotating is difficult.
I'm scared.
You have to think now. You have to think now.
Huh? I didn't even touch.
Yes.
Okay,
One.
let's try it again.
Only 20%. 20 left. 20, 16, 14, 13, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
You can do
4,
it.
3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Oh, yes. Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
but good try.
minusing.
It's done. It's done.
Good
It's
try.
done. Time
Good.
done.
Okay, who is going next now? But good try. But just keep on trying meanwhile, Sagarika. Okay, with the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, Karan going next. Okay, Kyra is going to help, or who is going to help?
Sir, I'm trying my game again.
Yeah, just keep on trying. Okay, so you are reach very.
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is
Karan,
also.
I'm taking revenge.
Take. Arey, why you are requesting? Acha.
Now just put the box. Now, sir, I will tell, sir. And he will
Okay,
not say anything.
Sir, I won.
you won. Okay, we'll come
Yeah.
back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Karan, that's cheating.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
once my dog touches the strawberry, I want the entire game to stop. So should I put stop all?
Yeah, please put stop all.
Okay.
And Karan, do not pause the screen, okay, when you're playing it. Don't do that, okay? We'll come to know. Because the timer will also stop and we'll come to know, okay?
When Divya Didi plays, then you will not do chucha.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Okay. So,
How will my
but
mouse pass from here? See? Arey? What? Wait, what?
Not here.
You cannot pass from that. Wait.
Okay, try it. Try it.
See.
Wait, now try. Try.
this is trial or real?
Real. Oh, he's cheating. He's going out of screen.
No, that is allowed, right?
Sir, he's cheating very much. He's testing my patience.
Checking patience. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, so just make sure you place your feet in such a way.
Ouch! Now you see. Now you see.
Okay,
Wait now. Wait. Arey.
okay, let's stop it. Let's
Wait,
go
let
back.
me do.
Yeah.
Yeah, do now. First, let me exit also. Yeah, do.
Sir, nothing is stopping for me.
It should be stop all is there or not?
Yeah, I put when green flag is. Sir, I put when green flag is clicked. If touching strawberry, stop all.
Uh-huh.
So nothing is happening. I touched the strawberry also, but still nothing stopped.
I will cross check that. Okay, but stop all is to stop the game as such. Okay.
ठीक करण भैया. Divya Didi, do difficult.
Very difficult.
Yeah. This much difficult that Karan Bhaiya cannot do.
But
This
how
difficult, Divya Didi. Divya Didi, Karan, what are you doing? Karan Bhaiya. Please don't. I got it. What you are trying to say? You are doing it and that it is so difficult.
Sir, can I give a backdrop?
Yes.
After Karan Bhaiya, my chance. Yeah, Devja Didi.
Arey, do fast.
You took so much time. Then we were saying do fast. What were you doing? Yeah, Devja. Now,
Now this is how he's going to come out. It's not possible only, right?
do
There is no.
Sir,
But
it's okay.
how from the
How will
cake?
we come out?
Cake,
How we will come
cake
out?
is like in a jail, right?
Sir, it's possible. When the rotating line is
No, the
straight, he
cake.
can go.
There is no cake, right?
Ah.
How you will enter the cake?
And we don't know how.
Okay, let's stop it.
Okay, I'll take
Let's make it
underworld's
simple.
way.
Let's
Sir,
make it
I
simple.
know.
This you can take under.
Otherwise, this
No,
game
but
will
how-
not be fun, right? There is no cake. He won't be able to reach to cake anytime.
We don't know, sir.
We
Eh,
stop. Okay, let's stop this, Karan. Yeah, let's stop this, Karan. And
Parents, okay, wait.
I got it.
Yeah. Can I control now?
Yeah, take.
Okay. Okay. Put your mouse here.
Very difficult.
Yeah. Mouse is
Like,
starting
why
there.
you people are taking, giving me only difficult?
You were also not listening to us.
What? I was not doing anything.
Big cheater.
okay,
But
let's.
how can my mouse go from there?
Wait.
That's barabar.
Okay, I think a little more
Okay,
space.
start. Let's start.
No. Wait.
Arey. Yeah, okay.
Now it's a lot of space.
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's so happy. So much of space is there now.
Done now. How
No.
much?
Okay, fine. I'll make it smaller.
No.
Yes.
So small. Wait.
Okay. It's final.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
now you
start.
can take your control back.
Okay,
Give
let's
me.
start it.
Give.
Huh?
Give me my control.
Okay.
Give up.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I think it become easy or what, Karan?
I don't know.
You have to wait now. Oh, one life gone.
Oh no.
Two life, last one.
Arey.
How come he still has 3 lives?
He has not put counter over there, right? That's okay. Let him concentrate. You have a lot of time to do it actually. Okay, Divija, your turn.
Sir is out. One.
No, there are 3 lives.
No.
Okay,
Being too
Divija,
smart.
Divija,
Yes.
your turn. Okay, Divija.
My
Let's-
turn. My chance. My chance.
Okay,
Where gone my chance?
okay. So you can.
Close my scratch.
Okay, let's play it again.
I'm closing
Ira.
my scratch.
Okay.
Please, I'm giving you my that.
I'm closing my scratch, huh, sir?
You saved it.
Save it.
Yes, I've saved it.
Okay, so let me give it to Kyra. Kyra, can you give me the remote control?
Easier one.
Yeah, so I'm going to give you. Just give me the remote control access.
Sir, you will give easy.
Oh, she's like 6-year-old.
Seven.
How old are you?
7.
7-year. Okay.
Yeah.
This is your mouse.
7 been is sir 6.5.
6
No,
and
7.
a half.
She'll be 7 in July.
July. Okay.
Sir, after Divija, can I share screen?
Okay. Is this easy for you, Kyra?
No.
No? Not easy. Okay. How about now? It is easy.
Now it's fine.
Okay, let's play it then. Okay, let's go full screen and play it.
Wait, stop the remote control. I just have 3 lives only.
Okay. All right. Let's try it.
Sir, the timer is... Yeah, do it now. How can I do? Do it now. Do it.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Wait, go from up. Go from up. Array, go from up. Okay, fine. Go down.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Go down. Go down. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not.
Oh, very nice.
Go little down. Fast. Only 30 seconds.
Okay, very good. All right. So now we'll do it for Divija. Very good, Farah.
Now what will I do?
Okay, you can do it for her.
Let
Okay.
me do what if the sir Karan is not there.
Yeah.
Karan left. Okay, so let Kyra do it for you. Okay.
You will do very easy for me. No, I'll not do. Kyra, let Sagarika do. No, I will.
Okay, both of us will do.
Okay, wait. All of you can do. I have given the remote control to all. Okay. So just let me guess one line. Wait. Okay. Sir,